Hey everyone, happy 2019. Yes, you see my bed. Like, I keep switching everything around. It's like I can't keep my stuff like in order, like in one spot. You know that already. Yes, I look crazy. I'm about to get dressed because I gotta go do some errands. But before I go, I definitely want to wish everyone a happy new year. Hope everyone had a wonderful 2018, and hopefully everyone out there will have the best 2019 ever. Um, yeah, the holidays was very simple. I didn't record anything. Usually I will record little stuff here and there. I took some pictures and stuff, but nothing long, so I can post. Um, so yeah, I was home. Hubby was working. He came out of work, and we had a good time. My nephews was here. Isabel had fun. My brother was here. My neighbor, who is Isabel's godmother, came, spent it with us. So it was nice. It was nice. But within like the few like 2 weeks or so, I've been buying a little stuff here and there. I don't even know where to begin. Let's just jump into the brushes. So I went to Dollar Tree yesterday, which I'm going again, guys, because listen, I get on YouTube and I'm always looking at like Dollar Tree hauls, and I couldn't find anything good that is makeup related that is coming out. But I saw these brushes. Now, I was really pissed that I wasn't in the makeup section. It was right next to the register, like where they at, like right there. And I saw it as he was ringing up my things that I bought, and I'm like, um, can I go next to you so I can like grab some stuff that's next to you? He was like, yeah, sure. So these brushes right here, these are like a unicorn. They're just straight down. This one is like a powder brush you can use as a blush. It's so like soft. It's not shedding so far. Now I found these at a 99-cent store, which they're amazing, guys. They are. So I was so excited. And then I was like rushing because I was like in his space, and some people have like cause you're right next to the register. So I just grabbed like three, the first three that I saw that were different, I grabbed. And then this right here is like a concealer brush, but I would use this as like for like a lid for my eyes, you know. Yeah. And then this one right here, guys, look at this fish. This is so, well, not a, it looks like a fish, but it's like a mermaid fish, you know. This is cute. I can definitely use this as like a highlight because it's very small, or it's a contour maybe, or maybe even for underneath the eyes. I don't know, but I want a few of those. Those are cute. And then a while back, I'm not sure if I mentioned this in any of the other hauls. Like in the makeup section of Dollar Tree, I found a LA Color Shimmer eyeliner. This is it. It's like a blue, nothing special. It has shimmer to it, which is cute. This is a really nice color. Okay, now I went to Burlington Coat Factory, guys. They're stepping up their game with like high-end makeup. Now, some people are like, oh, that's fake. That's not the real stuff. But if you think about it, a lot of these people out there, like who have their table set up, who are selling like the Kylie, the Jeffree Star, Anastasia, all those high-end makeup, you know how they're getting in trouble for that because it's fake makeup. They're selling it crazy amount of prices. So for a well-known company sell fake name brand makeup, I doubt that. So I saw come on, don't fooling me. I saw the Honest Beauty, guys. I was just I went nuts. I went nuts. They had a lot of stuff, like they had blushes for $10. They had a foundation, I believe, for $7, but I didn't grab that because it wasn't my shade. They also had the powder foundation, if I'm mistaken, on the cream for $10. But this one right here is a gel cleanser, and you add 1 to 2 pumps. You know, you massage. I don't think I reviewed this on my last video. I hope. I'm trying to think, and I think I did. I hope not. So it looks like this. It has a little pump, and I already used it once, guys. It smells amazing. It smells like freshness, like you're really cleaning your face. So this right here is cool, and the price on this was $5.99, guys. $5.99. Like, this brand is not cheap at all. Yeah, they sell it at Target, but this is like one of the high-end drugstore makeup brand that's a little pricey. And then I found this right here. Check it out. This is the Invisible Blur powder, and this right here was $3.99, guys. $3.99. This was the last one. If they would have more, I would have grabbed another, because I've tested this out a few times. Ooh, just made a mess of myself. Guys, this thing is good. Like, really good to bake, to set your whole face. This is really, really good. There's times I even use to set, like, sometimes when I put concealer, I'll put concealer first. Since I have a few dark concealers, I'll put that first before putting my makeup on, like my foundation, and I'll put some concealer around like my eye for all the veins, you know, to even everything out, and I would set it with this. Guys, this is good, and it feels silky. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels great. Yeah. So I definitely want to go back to get a few more of that brand. And then I went to CVS, guys. You know, CVS, once in a while here and there, especially for holidays, they will step it up with their, like, the Elf or the Wet n Wild. Whenever those brands comes out with new things, they will have it separate, like in a different shelf. So I was at CVS with my mom, and she's looking for a doll, like to get a tall doll for Isabel. And I'm like looking above, and I'm like, oh, because they put toys above. So I'm like, oh, I don't see no toys. Until I ran to Wet n Wild, and I'm like, they're trying to hide this from me. They're like, Erica's coming, let's hide it. So this right here is the Wet n Wild. This is the loose highlighting powder, and the number 397A, and the name is You Glow Girl. And this is the pink shade. Guys, this stuff right here, hopefully you can see it. This right here is amazing. I even put some on my lid, like in the center of my lid. It looks great. This was what, $8, $7.99. But you know, they have a lot of times they have spend like $15 and you'll get like $5 extra rewards, or you spend $10 and you'll get $5. So you can get this and probably like a lipstick or 2 lipsticks and even it out to $10, and then they'll give you $5. So it's like you didn't really pay for that price. And then for Christmas, I'm talking about makeup related, guys. So for Christmas, I got something from my Isabel's godfather, and it's the Profusion Mix Metals. Like, I've always seen these, especially in Target, like, you know, when the holidays comes out, they'll bring stuff like this in a gift set, and I'm like, oh, I want to grab it. I'm like, nah. And look, I got it. And this is the 10 color eye and face palette. So it has like a blush, a highlight, and then One, two, three, four, 8 eyeshadows. I'm not gonna swatch it because I'm in a hurry now, but guys, look at that. I play with a few already, and the blush as well. The blush is not like boom in your face. It's perfect. And you know me, I love these colors right here are the colors that I drawn to the most. It's not wild or nothing like that. It's perfect. And in that set, it came with this, what is this sparkling eyeliner. I haven't tried this out yet. Look at the tip. Hopefully you can see that. Probably not. It's just a plain eyeliner. It's like a rose gold. Yeah. Sparkly is cute. And it came with something else. I believe it came with a brush. So it's somewhere in my brush collection. Now, you know, Target, they always comes out with a lot of gift sets like I was talking about, and they have a lot of elf stuff. Now they always have elf like every year, but this right here, it was $5, guys. And this right here is the double like eyeshadow from elf. So this is one, and this is another one. These are so creamy, guys. Yeah, they have like a little fallout, like, you know, like flakiness, which is normal, but they're so buttery, like so creamy. Now there were $5. Oh, and they also came with a brush. $5, you know. And when I went, it was 50% off, and I'm like, oh, that's $250. Like, that's amazing, guys. Like, anyone out there who wants to give makeup to a family member and haven't even bought any gifts yet for them, if you're gonna wait until after Christmas, is the way to go. Yeah, you're not gonna have a big selection, but the money wise is there and it's cheap. So it's $250. Like, that's not bad at all. Like, I was excited, and I'm glad I bought those because they're really, 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 really good. So yeah, guys, this is all my little mini haul of me buying little things here and there. If you enjoy this type of video, let me know. Or if you want me to hold off on me opening the makeup first, and you know, I can get my reaction on camera and test it out and see for myself, because normally I like to test things out a little bit and then do a whole video, even though I already try them, test them out, so I can give you a little feedback. Yeah, I can give you like a big giant feedback, because you have to like test those makeup out for like weeks at a time to really see if it works. But I can give you like a little feedback, letting you know how it works and how it worked for me. But if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. And I promise, guys, I need to like come back to YouTube more. It's like, I say this all the time, and I'm sure you're tired of hearing it, but like, I do enjoy making videos. I do, but I feel like sometimes, I don't know, I feel like now the beauty community, I don't know, it's like, I feel like it's really going down. People are not caring about that as much. So I feel like taking another turn to this channel. Before, when I first started out, I was doing gaming, I was doing Isabel's videos, everything on this channel, vlogs, and then I broke it up and that didn't work. And I feel like bringing that back. And what do y'all think about that? Because I know within time a person grows, you have to cut that. But I prefer to do one channel for everything, at least for right now. I mean, daily you'll probably have a few videos from me if I'm very consistent. Especially now we have, you know, John is, you know, with his PlayStation. We're gonna get the VR probably in a few months from now, and we're gonna do crazy videos on that. But yeah, I want to do more mukbangs, and a lot of people now are starting to like the ASMR videos. That's like the tapping, the whispering, all that stuff. And if that's something you want to see, let me know, because I want to like please you guys. I don't want to do something that you're not enjoying. And if you don't enjoy me doing makeup, let me know. I'm not going to get offended. I'm not a pro. I've been doing makeup for like a year and a half on myself, and that's it. I'm no pro on this. Yes, I make mistakes ton of times. But I want to enjoy you guys, and if that's something you want to see, like a different turn on the channel, let me know. But yeah, guys, I gotta go because I know she's gonna be writing to me soon. Cause I see her little icon with one message. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribe. What are you waiting for? And also leave a comment down below if you have any of the makeups that you've seen here today. Let me know. How does it work for you? Do you like it? You don't like it? Why? Spill the tea, girl. Bye, guys. Take care.